Today's video focuses on Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Maslow divides human needs into different levels. These needs become urgent one after the other, meaning that people attempt to satisfy them step by step. First, physiological needs are addressed. These are also referred to as basic or survival needs and include the need for food, water, and sleep, essentially all the needs necessary for survival. On the second level of the hierarchy are the so-called safety needs, which include the need for physical protection, the safeguarding of possessions, stability in life, and the need for physical and mental well-being. The third level is occupied by the so-called social needs. Social needs include the desire for friendships, familial connections, and a general sense of belonging to a group. Following this comes the level of individual needs, also called esteem needs. Individual needs include the desire for professional and personal success, recognition, and a healthy sense of self-confidence. The top and final level of Maslow's hierarchy is the need for self-actualization. This level includes needs such as creativity, spontaneity, and a high degree of morality. The individual levels of the hierarchy become relevant one after another. This means that once the needs of one level are fulfilled, a person will try to address the next level in the hierarchy. In general, physiological needs, safety needs, and parts of social needs are classified as deficiency needs, or D needs. Failing to satisfy these needs causes significant physical and mental discomfort. On the other hand, growth needs, or G needs, include the remaining social needs, individual needs, and the needs for self-actualization. Growth needs can only be pursued, but never fully satisfied. Once deficiency needs are fulfilled, a person will be motivated to satisfy growth needs as much as possible. That sums up the individual levels of Maslow's hierarchy of needs. However, there are some criticisms of Maslow's pyramid. For example, individual and situational differences are overlooked. One person may prioritize the esteem need for recognition over maintaining social relationships, which are part of social needs. Additionally, the urgency of needs can shift depending on the situation. For instance, someone may prioritize the need for professional success in certain scenarios, such as working overtime voluntarily at the expense of fulfilling basic needs. Despite its limitations, Maslow's hierarchy of needs provides a relatively effective framework for classifying human needs and finds application in various fields, such as marketing, human resource management, and organizational decision-making. We hope this video has helped you understand the topic of the Maslow's hierarchy of needs. See you next time and have a good one.